Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about one more problem from LeetCode. The problem name is linked list random node. As you can see, you are given a singly linked list. As you can see in the input, return a random node's value from the linked list. Each node must have the same probability of being chosen. As you can see here, you have to just find out a random node. So you have to actually implement the solution class. That solution class has two, you can say, functions. One is the solution that is used to initialize the object of this linked list, and then get random is used to choose a random node from this particular linked list. So if you have a linked list, you just have to first understand how you will get a random node. So in whatever language you are using, there would always be a random function. In C++, there's a rand function, rand. So you can call this function to generate a random number, but the random number has to be between a certain range. So that you have a linked list, so you can first find out the length of the linked list, and you just have to do a modular of this random number with length, so that this random number will always be between 0 to len minus 1, so that you always get a random number, and then that random number is also a node in the linked list, so you can again do a for loop till that particular value and just print out that particular random number. So that's the thing. If you want to make it more efficiently, you can store these numbers inside some map, and then whenever you get a random number, just do a lookup of O of 1 in the map. So you can like create a map that in the first, like the first node is, let's say, 1, the second node is 2, the third node is 3, and so on. And then whenever you do a random number generator, you'll get a random number. Whatever random number it generates, just take that particular corresponding number in the linked list and print that. But if you don't want extra space, you can do that as well. That's what I've done here. There can be multiple more solutions, but this is the solution which I can think of that's much more easy and nothing much difficult here. So what we have done is, first we have to find out the length of the linked list, so that we have to get the node value between certain values. So we will first get a node, you can say length. So whenever this linked list is initialized, we will first find out the head. From the head, you will find out the length, as well as make a copy. Okay. Now what we'll do is, so that this copy, the new head value, I have initialized somewhere. Yeah, this node value can be used in the next function, that is get random. This get random function will take this head value and iterate over the linked list, such that you will first generate a random number like this between 0 to L minus 1, and then iterate over the linked list to that particular random node that we have just generated, and then print out its value. Nothing much complicated here itself. That's a complete code part. If you still have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment box. You can pause out and look at the code part here as well. That's it. That's a complete logical code part for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Keep coding, and bye.